here's what happens when you hire the handyman. This system was so shallow and the pipe was so high. I want to show you as it gets, we keep tearing it up. We keep, we'll expose some more pipe here soon for you. There's the pea stone all mixed in with the dirt. Just like I tell you guys, no fabric means no drain. Look at that. That's what you get when you hire the handyman. This is what you get when you have Chuck in a truck put your system in, okay? Little bit of pea stone laying on top. So this is a 6-inch system. I'm sure they sold the homeowner on big and bad. Look at that. It's just under the sod. Big 6-inch pipe, but it doesn't do no good when it's up at the surface and all the pea stone they use mixed in with the dirt. They thought, oh, I'll just buy a pipe with a sock on it. It's a shame too, because the house we're working at, the client and the homeowner before them, they didn't cut corners, not on a house like this, no way. But somebody did, and it's the contractor. So we're going much deeper than the old system. You can see how we're digging past where the pea stone's mixed in with the dirt. Going a lot wider, and our pipe's gonna be at the bottom. This whole thing is just another failed experiment. We keep digging the stuff up. We keep showing you guys. My goal is to teach the homeowner and the contractor the right way of doing that. For years and years, everybody's been so misled with the bad information that's out there, including other YouTube channels. All right, everybody, until the next video.